Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very, very nice, truthfully I like new tractor. This is a 2022 Kubota LX3310 cab tractor. So this is cab heat air, power steering, four-wheel drive, R14T tires, LA 535 swift attach loader, skid steer quick attach bucket. This tractor does have the optional front auxiliary kit for it, so it's third function on the front. AM/FM radio, rear defrost, rear wiper. Tractor was a one-owner tractor, bought new out in Western PA. Gentleman bought this for his property. We have some other attachments that are up for sale. There is a Land Pride grader box. There is a Land Pride spin spreader. We do have a like new Kubota snowblower, front mount snowblower for this that is for sale. We did do a video on that earlier this week. We have separated that off. We do have that available for sale. You can still see the packing lists are still on the bucket. It has the bolt-on bucket cutting edge. There is 55 hours on this tractor. We serviced this tractor, I believe it was at 53 hours. We did do a full service on it, so engine oil, fuel filter, air filters, cabin filters, HST filter, everything has been serviced. I do have the books and manuals to it. It is going to come with 2 keys. This tractor is still under powertrain warranty until July 21st of 2028. Has emissions warranty on the engine until July 21st of 2027. Truthfully, I like new piece. The guy decided to go a different direction here and traded this in on a skid loader. Actually, it would have worked better for his property. So we're going to walk you around this tractor, show you everything about it. We do own this free and clear. Again, this is an all original tractor. Nothing has been touched up or painted, and it is truthfully a like new piece. Under the hood, this is going to be powered by the 4-cylinder V1505 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. So everybody knows they make a 2610, which is the 3-cylinder model of this that doesn't have any emissions on it. And unfortunately, I've owned a bunch of those, and that tractor truthfully doesn't have any power in my opinion. These have a lot of power. These are the 4-cylinder engine, same engine that they're using in the ZD1611 and several other applications. The V1505 is a very tried, true, and tested engine. Again, we just did the complete and full service on this tractor. Keep in mind, guys, there is no DEF fluid required on a tractor this size. Front grill guard, folding obviously. As we stated here, it does have the front third function kit. Skid steer quick coupler on the front. You can see that the bucket is like new. Bolt on cutting edge. Packing lists are still on the sides of the bucket. Again, it is the swift attach loader. R14T tires are all truthfully 99%. They're like brand new. Pat's quick hitch on the back here, fast links, which are nice. It still is going to allow you to utilize these links here if you want to use them. You can, quick links. This does have the stiff arm style, 3-point stiffening arms, drawbar, 540 PTO, top link, LED lights front and back, SMV sign. Heading into the tractor, you're going to see it does have the nice high back suspension seat with armrest package, cup holder. Mid PTO, mid and rear, or rear PTO, you're going to have your low, medium, and high range. Still going to have your independent braking. On landing side over there, you're going to have your up and down for your 3-point. You're going to have your cruise control setting. Then the nice thing in this tractor, you're going to have this little button you can push, and you have your 2 buttons here for your auxiliary hydraulics. We do also have a Land Pride, what is that? An SCG 0560, 60-inch a grapple rake here available for sale that was purchased new with this. It is for sale separately. Tilt steering column, and we are going to show you here 55.2 hours. Cab heat air AM/FM radio. Again, these are the deluxe tractor of the LX series tractor with the cab on it. Very, very nice size tractor. So we're going to fire this up, run it around, shoot it everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So there'll be a million questions if we have any mower decks available for this. Currently I do not. This tractor never had a mower deck on it. If somebody wants to put one on, they are readily available. They're out there. Four-wheel drive, I'm going to show you that that works. Shut it off. So again, guys, stuff like this doesn't get any cleaner. I love stuff like this. I love stuff that we have either purchased private, just like this was a private trade-in. You know, we're able to go firsthand to a lot of those people that we buy this kind of stuff from, and we're able to find it. That's what we're after. That's what we chase. You know, I had to laugh the other day. We have all these people who are talking to an advertising agent, and all these people, you know, they're relying on guys. They're going to auction sales and buying stuff, and I buy nothing at an auction sale. What we actually do is we send a lot of our less desirable stuff, what I call it, stuff that comes in that, you know, we're gonna have to spend too much money on to make it right in the shop, or something we know truthfully has a problem. We're gonna send it to an auction sale. But a lot of people buy that kind of stuff. It's just not my thing. But we're proud that we search and look and buy very nice, clean stuff that, you know, the market, what people are looking for is what people want. So here's one of those nice specimens of pieces. So that was low, medium range. We're now in high range. This thing has ice cold air, which the LX series, which was, this is what replaced a B2650, B3350, and everybody knows the 3350s had their issues, mainly with the engine issues there with the emissions, which that's all been fixed in an LX, common rail injected. But these are the smallest tractor you can buy in the Kubota lineup that is going to have, I'm going to go ahead here, guys, and show you PTO. PTO is turning. You know, this is the factory full cab with air conditioning. Now, there'll be somebody that'll argue, like, oh, well, you can get that on a BX. You can get a cab on a BX with electric air conditioning. That's not my thing. This has a compressor right off the engine, how air conditioning should be. But if you're looking for a beautiful tractor and you want to save a pile of money, here is something to take a look at. So again, if you're going to do brush hog work, if you want to run rototiller, if you want to have a set of paddle forks moving your firewood around, a grapple, and you want to have a cab, this is a tractor to take a look at. Just a very, very nice, clean tractor. It is 110% ready to go to work. And this little tractor is loaded up with options. So big thing from this, there is powertrain warranty on it. There is emissions warranty on it. And you know, I don't care what anybody says, I really do like this size of tractor. You can get a lot of work done with that. Very comfortable. When you're done running it for the day, you don't feel like you are wore out. I mean, it's very well, I believe the word they use is, the ergonomics of the tractor is very well put together for these. Some aren't that way. Every manufacturer has that issue with something that they build, but I do feel that this is a very good tractor. Obviously, 55 hours, it's a new tractor. Rear tires are loaded with beet juice. Any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need trucking, let us know. We're glad to get you a trucking quote. We take a lot of pictures. Landon, what'd you take? Probably 60 or 70 pictures of that, at least. Remember, Mark Supply Company, we do sell stuff that is fully serviced through the shop. It's not a, you know, I got to laugh. Some of these guys, man, we got different tiers, you know, gold certified. Well, there's no difference from their gold to their silver to whatever. Through the shop means they open one shop door, drive it through the other one. So here we actually do service something and get through it. So you guys got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.